Nasira?
Hmm.
Nasira.
Hindi nasira, natanggal lang euro. Anong ganyan. Tapos naman harapan na bag ko.
Bibidyoan mo pa lang yun eh. Sira na?
Hmm. Kaya nga hindi naman talaga nasira. Natanggal lang.
3 years after I died,
So this is part 2.
started to miss me. The school admission fee is due tomorrow. Is everything taken care of?
So how much more do you think we're paying?
Later I'm gonna make a mukbang. I'm gonna eat noodles with egg. Boiled egg.
15 million is just for admission. You keep earning money.
You're legit.
Count it up.
Hmm.
You died about 3 or 4 years ago. You know, dormant accounts like this are worth tens of billions in the banking system. We can use it ourselves. It's up to you. But if we get caught,
I'm
we'll go
turning
to jail.
8 November 10.
Excuse me? I'm here to inquire.
Actually, I'm turning 8 in November 10.
Anything wrong?
Please don't. Please don't forget it.
Doing it too often. The school's all over. What was I supposed to do? You think you could get out of it?
Well,
You run now. You don't get out.
3 years after I died,
It's going to be an attempt to invite you.
Aba, salamat po.
I only use chopsticks. My dad bring this because he go to Korean.
Yan lang yung ano na po sa
Please believe me, I am turning 8 in November